From fascinating folklore to wildlife wonders, ancient art and magnificent monuments, we're inviting you to organise in-person events or digital projects that celebrate and share our rich heritage with people across Ireland. Triple distilled and aged in charred oak barrels. Not everything takes 7 generations to settle, but it helps. Ballymore whiskey. Some things are always in style. Our story began over 200 years ago, growing potatoes on the family farm. And though we've grown in size, we've never lost sight of our roots. From crop to crisp, we are Keens. Chaurig an tiantas orpach go mór trí chur chumas bhaintear na héireann na deacrachtaí is déanaí dar gcuid a hárú. Tá mí den níos nán tógant a bhfuil buinte amach agus aig go chuairt ar na dúsháin atá roin. Tila ólis ag gov.ie. A moment's stroll from the doors of the Brehon, Killarney's lakes and mountains await. Here eagles soar, wild deer roam, and visitors and locals alike pause to catch their breath. Escape to the Brehon this spring from just €150 per room. Relax, he just wants to be as cheesy as the Supermax Big Cheese Deal. Get 2 slices of succulent premium Irish beef burger, smothered in luxurious cheese, fries and a drink for just $6.95. Supermax, 100% Irish.